Affiliate programs are powerful, but only if they actually work. The truth is, tracking referrals, paying affiliates correctly, and staying organized can quickly turn into a mess. That's where Fluent Affiliate comes in. It streamlines everything into one easy system. Setup is quick, tracking is effortless, and it integrates perfectly with your favorite platforms. In this video, I'll show you how to install Fluent Affiliate and get started with affiliate marketing within minutes. To lay the foundation, let's head over to the WordPress plugin directory and type in Fluent Affiliate. And there it is. With one quick click, the installation is on its way. It takes just a few seconds, and with one more tap on Activate, Fluent Affiliate is ready to roll. You can see it sitting right on your WordPress sidebar. So let's open it. The first step is deciding what kind of program you want to run. Fluent Affiliate works with e-commerce stores, LMS platforms, and many more. This time, let's go with this and move forward. The next step is all about personalizing referral links. So referral variable is a little tag that shows up in affiliate links, and it's how the system knows which affiliate referred a customer. Default settings work just fine, but it can be changed whenever necessary. Next, I have the default referral format. I can either identify affiliates by their WordPress username or by an affiliate ID. I'll stick with the ID option because it's cleaner and avoids confusion. Now, let's set up commissions. So this is how your affiliate gets rewarded. I can pay them a percentage of each sale or a fixed amount per conversion. For now, the commission is set to 15%, keeping things fair and motivating. And then comes the currency. Fluent Affiliate supports a wide variety, so you can run programs globally. Sticking with the default currency is the easiest choice here. The final step is creating a dedicated affiliate area. So this is where affiliates can register, manage their links, and monitor their commissions. Let's choose the page right now and copy the shortcode. Then click on Preview. And from there, jump into the Edit page. Now just drop in a shortcode block, and you're good to go. Alright, so here I need to paste the code into the selected page and publish it. And there it is. The registration page is now live and ready to go. Now, let's head back and finish the process. The congratulatory message confirms that the installation and setup are completed. Fluent Affiliate is officially installed, configured, and ready to run your affiliate program. So that's how easily you can install the free version and get started with Fluent Affiliate in no time. And in case you want premium features like affiliate groups, domain management, and many more, you need to upgrade your plan to Pro. In this part, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Simply go to the web page and choose a plan that perfectly fits into your affiliate programs. Then, go to the checkout page, deal with the payments, and you will be redirected to your account. Let's download the profile and get back to the WordPress dashboard. Now, the process is same as the previous one. Open the Add Plugin section, upload the file, and complete the process with just a few clicks. The Pro version is installed. Now it's time to verify the license. Just head back to your account, open the Licenses section, and copy your license key. Then paste it into the field and hit Verify License. And you're ready to unlock the full power of Fluent Affiliate. With that, both Fluent Affiliate Free and Pro are running on my WordPress dashboard, giving me more power to manage, run, and scale my affiliate programs easier than ever. Whether you stick with the free version or upgrade to Pro, you can manage, scale, and track your affiliates entirely from WordPress. So what are you waiting for? The link is given in the description. Install Fluent Affiliate today and start growing your affiliate revenue in WordPress.